Proper chain tension is necessary for safe saw operation and optimal cutting. All types of chain require frequent adjustments. Remove spark plug lead. Loosen clutch cover nuts before making adjustments to avoid damaging clutch cover and tensioner. On most chainsaws, the chain tensioning screw is located on either the front or the side of the saw. Hold the bar nose up, and while using a slotted screwdriver or scrunch, turn the adjuster screw clockwise until the chain contacts the underneath side of the bar. Hold the bar nose up again and tighten the clutch cover nuts. While wearing a pair of gloves, pull the chain around the bar by hand. Loosen the adjusting screw if you feel any tight spots. After the chain is properly tensioned, securely tighten the clutch cover nuts and be sure to keep the chain properly tensioned at all times to ensure optimal cutting performance.